What's up, family? What a guan! And if you are visiting for the first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, family, today I am giving you the long awaited list of the richest artists, both dancehall and reggae. The richest artists in Jamaica. And me even give you no bonus because it will be top 20. The last time some people never see them favorite on the top 10 dancehall artists and they were asking for some. So I did a little more research. So me I give you no top 20 this time. So if you have not yet subscribed, please just hop on down below, touch the red subscribe button, and remember to like and share and turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss any more videos. Yeah. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Starting off the list at number 20, we have BERES HAMMOND. Born Hugh Beresford Hammond, he is one of the premier lovers rock singers to emerge out of Jamaica in the late 1970s. In the early days of his career, he was lead singer for a group known as the Zap Pow. He left the group eventually in 1979 to concentrate on his solo career, which has been a huge success. He has an estimated net worth of $4 million. Coming in at number 19, we have BEENIE Man. Moses Davis rose to stardom in the early 1990s. The Zim Zimmer artist has numerous hit singles and is still among the best in the business. His estimated net worth is $4 million. At number 18, we have JUDY MOWATT. JUDY represented 1/3 of the I3s. That was the driving force behind Bob Marley's music. Her musical career dates back to the 1960s. Her estimated net worth is $4.1 million. Next, we have Freddie McGregor. Yeah, Freddie is one of those reggae most durable and soulful singers. His musical career started in the 60s when he was only 7 years old. He is a singer and a songwriter who has stood the test of time. His estimated net worth is about US $4.1 million. Next on the list is BUJU BANTON. Yes, Mary, also known as Gargamel, is one of the biggest selling reggae artists in the world. Some of his greatest hits are Destiny and Untold Stories. He has an estimated net worth of about US $4.2 million. Next we have Busy Signal. Mr. Glendale Gordon's singing career began to shine in 2003, and from there onward it was success after success. His estimated net worth is US $5 million. Also on this list is SPRAGA BENZ. Carlton Grant was born in Kingston in 1969. He started his musical career in 1991 and was known then as Spaghetti because he was very tall and slender. His estimated net worth is US $5 million. Moving on, we have Junior Reid. Born Delroy Reid, he is best known for his popular hit One Blood and also as a lead singer for the group Black Uhuru, where he performed on 3 of their albums. Reid has an estimated net worth of US $6 million. At number 12, we have VYBZ Kartel. His given name, Adidja Palmer. His career took off as a teenager in 1993. He has a host of hit singles, and he is one of the most popular dancehall artists. His estimated net worth is US $6.6 million. Next on the list is MAVADO. Born David Brooks, he was mentored by Bounty Killer from an early age of 15. His debut album Gangsta for Life was an instant hit. His estimated net worth is US $7 million. At number 10, we have Lady Marcia Griffiths. Marcia Griffiths is arguably the most influential woman in the history of reggae music. She started her professional singing career at the age of 15. She was a part of the famous I3s that did backup singing for Bob Marley. Her estimated net worth now stands at US $7.3 million. Next we have Ziggy Marley. Born David Nestor Marley, he is the eldest son of the king of reggae, Bob Marley. He released his first solo album in 2003. Ziggy has an estimated net worth of US $10 million. Moving right along, we have Maxi Priest. Max Alfred Elliott is one of the most successful reggae fusion singer of all times. He released his debut album in 1985. He has an estimated net worth of US $10 million. And coming in at number 7, we have Sean Paul. Ryan Henriquez first rose to fame with the Dirty Cup crew before embarking on a solo career. He has an estimated net worth of US $12 million. And number 6, we have Jimmy Cliff. James Chambers, otherwise called Jimmy Cliff, is a singer, musician, songwriter, and an actor. In 2010, he was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. His estimated net worth is US $18 million. At number 5 on this list, we have Robert Nesta Marley, also known as Steve Marley. He is another of Bob's sons who has been successful in the music business. He is the owner of his own record studio. He has an estimated net worth of US $20 million. And following right behind him, we have Junior Gong Marley. Yes, Damian Junior Gong Marley is the youngest of the Marley brothers in the music business. He started his music career at a very tender age. His estimated net worth is US $20.2 million. At number 3 on my list is Shaggy. Marvell Richard Burrell started his music career after returning home from the Gulf War, where he served in the US Army. His estimated net worth is US $22 million. And rounding off the list at number 2, we have Alfreda Constantia Andis Marley, better known as Rita Marley. Rita is the widow of the late Bob Marley, and she's also a reggae artist. Her net worth is estimated at US $50 million. And rounding off the list at number 1, we have FLOURGON. Is it FLOURGON or FLOURGON? Comment below and tell me what's the proper pronunciation. Michael May, which is his birth name, started his career in the early 1980s. He has had a few hit singles. However, his music career is now on a little pause and has been for quite a while. However, Recently, he sued Miley Cyrus and Sony Records for using his signature phrase, "We run things, things no run we," for 300 million US dollars. He won, and the case was settled out of court for an undisclosed sum. So we're not sure how much he got, but it is being said that he got a significant amount out of the 300,000, and thus he is at number one. And before we go, we just want to make honorable mention of a few persons who just missed the list. They missed it slightly. Like we have Spice, which is Grace Hamilton. She has an estimated net worth of $3 million. We have Richie Spice with an estimated net worth of $3 million also. And we have Bounty Killer with an estimated net worth of $3.1 million. We have Tony Rebel, $2 million. Popcorn with an estimated net worth of $2.1 million. And Adonia, also $2 million. And then there's information about Javlani. It is being branded by persons close to him or from his camp that he has an estimated net worth of 107 million US dollars. However, in all the information online that we have checked on the internet and everywhere, everyone states that it is not verified, it is not confirmed, it is being reviewed, and they are not sure. So we don't know if it is true, but kudos to him if that is his net worth. Okay, so there you have the list of the top 20. Thank you for watching. Comment below if you think I've missed any, or if you did not see your favorite on the list and you have information that I wasn't privy to, just comment it below and let me know. And stay tuned for the next video.